pictures. Hey guys, come with us to Bull City. We got Mackenzie. Hey. And we got Lil Chardonnay.
Bruh.
So we was actually at Bull City already, me and Kaya, but somebody was like, oh, I can come now. So we had to pick up this girl. Pick up girl Lala. And they got me in the back seat because...
Okay, actually, you chose to sit in the back seat.
I actually did. I told you to get in the front.
No, I'm just kidding.
Also, why don't you start snapping us on Snapchat?
She said,
That's
the first one she said.
I said Snapchat, nigga. Oh, I said streaks, nigga. Because I need a
That
streak more.
shit's dead. I tried to do streaks for you.
No, I did. But we wasn't even sending streaks. We was sending actual photos.
What you mean?
We was sending photos, like
From
in the messages. Me and Mackenzie was streaking, but then I streaked you last.
No, you opened mine. You never.
Oh, sometimes I do that on accident. Like I be about to snap you back and then somebody like get my attention and I forget. So I think that the person didn't snap me back.
I don't like this. Because where the fuck am I supposed to go?
You turn.
That little... Where? Oh!
What the fuck is you? You thought you talking about right there?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
I don't know.
So I took Lakaya's selfie stick.
I used to use it. Me and Kaya used to vlog in school.
So I'm gonna get back to you guys when we get to Bull City. Hey y'all, we made it to Bull City.
She was waiting, bro. She couldn't wait for us to get here.
Wait. My hand.
Oh, my bad. I can't see my eyes. The sun's not out, so you can't see my eyes, but you can see the crest on my head. On my oh look. You can see the crest.
Thumbnail, get your face in it.
Okay. Ooh, sorry y'all. Okay, bye. Okay. Oh,
Watch the car.
hold up. Hold on, y'all.
It's the fact that you took the meeting. No, you took the meeting.
Yeah. It's one you can take.
Oh wait, is this supposed to be? Oh, okay. Let me see. No, stop.
Stop.
No, get your bro. Yeah, get your ticket. I'm gonna let you. Y'all good niggas.
Hey, not on camera.
I'm the favorite.
Oh, sorry. I was about to say it seems dirty. Oh, I'm gonna get copyrighted so bad.
Exactly.
Okay, so here we are, right?
In the middle of Bull City is crazy.
That's right. You know, oh wait,
Okay, guys, we're getting. I got pink lemonade. She's getting, of course,
Dr. Pepper.
and she got a Starry, because people don't drink Sprite no more.
now you get lemonade.
I was a girl in the village doing alright. Then I became a princess overnight.
Yep. I ain't gonna lie. Every time I come to Bull City, I always spill my drink.
I left my things.
You gotta sit in the middle.
Y'all heard that?
That'd be Broke down, bitch. That's that booty.
You heard it? Okay. You see it? What happened to it? I think it's gonna be a 10 out of 10 or 10. How you feeling? Oh, this didn't cover your face. Let's see. We're gonna get back to you guys when we get our
It's not gonna be posted.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
We went to the ladies' room. She'll be back, guys. Is it good?
She went to go take a shit. So you're supposed to be showing the food.
This is mine. I got 3 pounds.
I got a half a pound of shrimp and a pound of crawfish.
You dummies.
Yeah.
And you know your girl Dom
She
on a
had the
diet.
kids real bad. Anyway.
Okay, we'll be back. Bye.
Should I do a time lapse? Okay.
I'm dumb finna bust her butt so hard.
Oh, I'm coming with y'all now?
Yes.
I gotta call mama now.
Why are you making that girl come?
Chris.
She said yeah. Okay, let's go. Come on, Daddy. Can I get
So, bonus. So to Texas on Wheels. I live for some ice.
What?
What I do? She didn't make sure I got say no.
Come on, Diamond.
I tried to do that to her. She didn't want me to.
I'm gonna let go.
Oh. Put the CR card. I ain't got no room.
Don't put that dirty cup in my ice.
You dirty. I was playing. Wait, I ain't even say that.
She called me dirty, chat. I'm supposed to be seeing tomorrow today, but she ain't answer my phone call. Now they ass in the car. Look at them. Guys, we're in the place. It's crowded, like
Because it's a birthday party. So it's crowded.
everybody's birthday is in February. Oh, and it's Saturday. Y'all know how I feel about vlogging though. If it's not with lit people, I can't get lit. I'll get back to y'all when I get skating.
Girl, I thought you were on skates. What?
Okay, y'all, so we're about to go because like I keep falling everywhere. I guess I could just walk and everywhere. I haven't felt yet. I'm so surprised. And I don't know how to skate, so I'm gonna get back to y'all. Okay, y'all. So we about to leave the skating rink. It was a success. It's we got here at like 5:30. Look, the time is like I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like 808. And my freaking sides are up. I look a hot mess. There we have it.
She keep trying to let my hand go. She keep trying to let my hand go, y'all. Y'all, she keep trying to let my hand go.